Don't start dropshipping in 2025 if you do not understand these 5 things. Seriously. Otherwise, you will waste 1 or 2 years of your life like every other beginners and then carry that is all just luck. But listen, by the time you finish this video, you won't be a beginner anymore. You will be on your way to becoming an expert. Why? Because this video is complete roadmap and I'm gonna show you exactly how to build a real dropshipping business with low investment and maximum returns. So don't skip a single second of this video. If you do, failure is granted. Let's dive straight into point number 1. You want to find a niche that hits the sweet spot between passion, profit, and practicality. Let me break that down for you. Starting with the passion. Yes, you should be somewhat interested in that niche, but it doesn't have to be your life calling. Next is the profit. The niche needs to have produced with good profit margin where you're aiming for at least 2.5x of the product cost itself for what the current market is selling the product for than practicality. You see now, this is where most beginners go wrong. Your niche needs to be practical for dropshipping, meaning that the product that you sell should not to be heavy, too fragile, and oversaturated. This is important because you don't want to add potential problems before you even get started. Now that you have chosen your niche, it is time to build your store. Your store should feel like a real brand, not a cheap supplier. So these 3 simple steps to optimize your store like a real brand. First, that is trust signals. Make your store feel legend, not like a copy-paste AliExpress. Second, optimize product page. Your product page is your salesperson, so it must convert to strong title, high resolution image plus demo video. So make sure your product page seen everything that clearly. And lastly, mobile first and fast. Over 80% of Shopify traffic in USA comes from mobile phones. If your store loads slow and does not look right on mobile, you're losing money because speed is equal to sales. Every 1 second delay drops conservations by up to 20%. So using these 3 simple steps on store optimization, you will not create a store, you will create a real brand. So with your perfect niche and store ready to go, it is time to find a winning products that you will fill it up with. This is the biggest mistake or break step for the dropshipping business because you could have the best looking store in the world, but if you're selling products that nobody wants, you are not going to making any money. So I will show you these 4 simple steps to find a winning product in every year. First, that is data analysis. Use AutoDS to find a product that are already selling well. Their trend analysis tool shows how exactly what's hot right now. Second, find problem-solving products. Problem-solving products are the best sellers customers love to make their lives more efficient. So if you have a product that can do that for them, your store is going to be amazing. Third is product as value. Once you're looking for a product, you want to make sure that's a product customer can see value in the product that you're selling needs to have some quality behind it, as you can be looking to sell products that you can sell between $25 to $150 today's sales. And the last step is make sure that the product is getting sales today. This is so important because this is how you verify that the product has a real demand behind it and it's actually making another people money. You see, one mistake beginners make is using the cheap supplier that they can find. They almost always backfire. Throwing the quantity is poor and shipping time forever. Instead, focus on finding a reliable supplier who may change a little bit more but deliver fast and consistently. It is worth a smaller margin. Reliable also always have backup supplier for your best selling product. Nothing kills a dropshipping business faster than supplier suddenly running out of stock and disappear. And you have got your supplier, you need customer. How you get some initial customer in 2025? There are some ways to drive traffic in your store, but not all of them are created equally. Let me go and break down what actually works for complete beginners. Start with TikTok. Organic create shorts on engaging videos about your product. Focus on showing problems that your product solves, then the solution that it provides. No fancy equipment is going to be needed. Just your phone is enough. Next is through Instagram Reels. This is similar to TikTok, but it can be easier to build an initial followers if you already have some Instagram presence. After that is Facebook ads, still effective but more expensive than it was just a few years ago. So started with a small budget around like $10 to $20 per day and scale only when you see positive results. So these are some brutally important things every beginners must know. If you're serious about making real money with dropshipping, these videos should have opened your eyes. I know this is gonna help your big time in your dropshipping journey. So don't just watch and bounce. Smash that like button, hit subscribe and stay locked in because we're just getting started.